Good morning. In this lecture series, we see about different position of the object. Okay. So last class we discussing about conditions for the solid can be placed. Okay, it's like a base edge parallel to VP, a base edge parallel to HP or VP, inclined to HP or VP. Okay. So these are the case we discussing the last class. Today class we discussing the main problem for the to solving the projection of solids. Okay. That is the first case we discussing about the axis of the solid is perpendicular to VP. Okay, so what is the meaning of the vertical plane? What is the term of perpendicular and the parallel? Okay, these are the word is very important. And also you notice down the axis only the perpendicular to the VP. So whenever you consider if you consider the solid, no, the solid can be axis always in the center of the solid. Okay, so the only the axis I have to consider and the positioning the solid is based on the conditions. Here I have to take a perpendicular to VP conditions. Okay. So whenever you have to place the solid, okay, according to the conditions. So I have to placing in the solid is like a axis perpendicular to VP and the base of the solid is always perpendicular to HP and parallel to VP. So these case they mention a problem. Okay. So there is a very much foremost thing we have to notice down here every numerical problem. It's like a axis perpendicular to VP or parallel to VP or perpendicular HP or parallel to VP. So these are the terms we are using in a using in numerical problem. Okay. So you have to clear that what is the word, what is the term we have to use is either VP or HP. These are the case we are while solving the problem based on projection of solids. You have to understanding these terms of concept. Okay, so once you have to understand the what is the conditions of given for the given numerical problem, hence you have to proceed to in front view and the base will be projected in the true shape. Okay, and therefore when the axis of the solid is a perpendicular to VP and the front view is drawn first, then the top and side view are drawn from it. Okay, so let's see here. So a simple example I have to given for your this class. Okay, for understanding purpose is very easy. So while you are to understanding, okay, you have to consider is a circle. Okay, that is I take as a cylinder and cone. Okay, so it's a foremost thing to understand the projection of solids. Okay, so the left side I have to show a certain image and right side I have to show certain image. Okay, so in left side I have to take a it's like a cylinder and right side I have to take a cone. Okay, so according to our conditions, what is our condition is the axis perpendicular to VP and parallel to HP. Okay, this case I have to take down. Okay, so once you have to clear down what is the conditions given. Okay, you have to draw the front view and top view of the given position of the solid. Okay, so here the base will be there. Okay, the base will be there in HP. Okay, that is axis perpendicular to BP. So the front view of the circle will be there in the above the XY line. That's why I have to mention this. It's like a blue color. Okay, and below we have to draw the rectangle. We already said the cylinder is coming under the prism category. Okay, so whenever you understand you study in the prism category, the always look like a rectangle. Okay, so that the rectangle view is there in the top view. So why? Because the rectangle view there in the top view means we are positioning the solid is axis perpendicular to BP. So that we have to draw the front view and top view of the given position of the solid, so that we take a circle is there in a XY line. If you are touching the XY line, first of all you have to draw the circle with the center of the circle. Then you have to take the radius and draw the circle and divide the 8 equal parts, and you have to proceed into the top view. Okay, so the top view we have to proceed is like a rectangle. So the rectangle, what the height value you have mentioned in your problem, so that you are according to have mentioned a problem, you have to draw the rectangle. So these are the simple case. Okay, so let's move on the right side. Okay, so what is the case here is the axis perpendicular to VP. Okay, so that I have to take this case there I take a cone. Okay, so first of all you have to consider in the front view of the given solid, that is like a circle. That is the first step. Okay, so the circle will be proceed. Then we have to draw the XY line, that is called as a VP and a HP. We have to separating the front view and top view of the given solid. Okay, so that I have to draw the circle over here and at having a center point. Okay, give the certain name. It's like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So always I am setting is 8 equal parts is more convenient to solve the circle problems. Okay, so for easy understanding, if you 4 also very easy, but the accuracy of the sum is very quite difficult. Okay, so that so you have to once you have to complete the front view of the given circle, sorry, it's like a circle. Okay, then you have to project it. Okay, it's below the xy line. You draw the triangular shape. Okay, the triangular shape it having a certain height. That is a height value mentioned like the 70 or 80, whatever the value may have mentioned. First of all, you have to draw the center of the that is axis. Okay, so how to construct this? So you have to draw. No, there is a center of O. You have to proceed the line. Okay, so that line will be mark it as a center O dash. Once you have to completing, you draw the projection the all the generators. Okay, that is we are not having any corners for the circle. We have only the generators. So we have to proceed the all the generators. You getting the base length of the given solid. Okay, so this is my base length. Once you have to constructing. Okay, you have to joining this corner. You getting the front view or top view of the given solid. Okay, so let's discussing about the different conditions problem in next more class. Okay, thank you.